Hey everyone, want to improve video quality in Pika AI? In this video, I'll show you how to create clearer and better looking AI videos step by step. First, open Pika AI and start a new project. Choose whether you want to create a video from text, an image, or an existing video. Next, write a detailed prompt with clear descriptions of the subject, environment, lighting, and visual style. Better prompts usually help Pika AI create more accurate results. Now choose the highest available quality settings for your project. Adjust options like resolution, video length, and style if they are available. You can also use specific prompt details like realistic textures, smooth motion, cinematic lighting, and high-detail visuals to improve the final output. After generating the video, review the result carefully. If the quality is not what you expected, refine your prompt and create another version. Avoid adding too many complicated details at once, because a simpler and clearer prompt can often produce better results. Finally, download the improved video and use additional editing tools if you need extra enhancements. And that's how you improve video quality in Pika AI. With better prompts and the right settings, you can create cleaner and more professional AI videos. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy technology guides.